Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to assign record types to profiles. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So from setup here, we will need just to go and search for profiles. In the quick find, we need just to search for the profiles so we can access them. So here we will find these profiles. By clicking here, we can find all these profiles here. We need just to select the profile that you want to change. Here I'm going to select this one. So now we can just to go down and search for the record type settings, and from here you can find all these record types. So from here we will need just to edit this ones, and simply, if you have this feature enabled or in your premium plan, you will be able to start editing your record type settings. And from there, and you can start choosing from this list, and you will be able to start changing the profiles. And basically, you can do that for all the profiles. So, for example, if this one is a custom one, I can go to the end user here and make some changes. So as you can see, we can also find, for example, the view type, etc. And we can also find the record type, and we will be able to modify many things here for these permissions and record types and everything concerning these objects or this profile specifically. So basically, this is the ways, or those are the steps to change record type settings in Salesforce. Thank you for watching and see you in next tutorials.